the 14th of March 2025. Today's special news, sponsored by VSK Business Consultant, brings you an in-depth analysis of the burgeoning market for buying and selling businesses in India. This dynamic sector, mirroring India's economic vitality, presents a wealth of opportunities across a spectrum of industries. Please note that the information provided herein is for knowledge and informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. The catalysts of market expansion. The Indian market's growth is propelled by a confluence of factors: a robustly expanding economy, a thriving entrepreneurial culture, and proactive government initiatives. Schemes like Startup India and Make in India have cultivated a fertile environment for business creation and growth. The rapid digitization of the economy has streamlined transaction processes, fostering greater transparency and accessibility. Moreover, the increasing prevalence of strategic mergers and acquisitions underscores the market's increasing maturity and sophistication. Sector-specific opportunities and nuances. Retail sector. The Indian retail sector, fueled by rising disposable incomes and a burgeoning middle class, is experiencing explosive growth. The proliferation of e-commerce and the expansion of organized retail formats offer lucrative prospects. From fashion and consumer goods to food and electronics, the retail landscape presents diverse acquisition opportunities. Key considerations include strategic location, established brand equity, and a robust online presence. Wholesale sector. The wholesale sector serves as a vital intermediary, connecting manufacturers with retailers. The growing demand for efficient distribution networks, particularly in sectors like FMCG, textiles, and agriculture, drives the sector's growth. Successful wholesale businesses require strong inventory management, efficient logistics, and robust supplier relationships. Transactions in this sector necessitate careful assessment of these factors. Manufacturing sector. The Make in India initiative has catalyzed significant growth in the manufacturing sector. Industries such as automotive, pharmaceuticals, textiles, and electronics offer attractive investment opportunities. Acquiring a manufacturing business requires thorough evaluation of production capacity, technological capabilities, and regulatory compliance. The potential for expansion and export is a crucial consideration. Distribution sector. A robust distribution network is essential for businesses to effectively reach India's vast and diverse consumer base. The demand for efficient logistics and supply chain management is driving growth in this sector. Key components of a successful distribution business include warehousing, transportation, and technological infrastructure. Transactions in this sector involve assessing the efficiency and reach of the distribution network. VSK Business Consultants' comprehensive expertise. Navigating the intricacies of business buying and selling demands expert guidance. VSK Business Consultant offers a comprehensive suite of services, including precise business valuation. Accurate valuation is fundamental for equitable and successful transactions. VSK Business Consultant provides expert valuation services across all industry sectors. Diligent due diligence. Thorough due diligence is essential to mitigate potential risks and ensure sound investment decisions. VSK Business Consultant conducts comprehensive due diligence assessments. Strategic planning and execution. VSK Business Consultant assists businesses in formulating and executing strategic plans for expansion, acquisition, and seamless integration. Seamless transaction facilitation. VSK Business Consultant streamlines the complex process of business buying and selling, ensuring efficient and seamless transactions. Specialized sector knowledge. They possess in-depth knowledge of the retail, wholesale, manufacturing, and distribution sectors, allowing for better consulting. Stay engaged and informed. To stay abreast of the latest developments and insights in the Indian business market, we encourage you to Subscribe to our YouTube channel for up-to-date news and analysis. Follow our WhatsApp channel for instant updates and alerts. Connect with us on Facebook and Instagram for exclusive content and community interaction. Navigating the Indian business landscape. While the Indian business buying and selling market presents immense opportunities, it also poses challenges. Navigating regulatory complexities, conducting thorough due diligence, and ensuring accurate valuations are essential for success. With the support of experienced consultants like VSK Business Consultant, and by staying connected through our social media channels, businesses can effectively navigate these challenges and capitalize on the vast potential of the Indian market. Remember, always consult with qualified financial advisors before making any investment decisions.